I'm back. So what I did was I actually, if I can find it here, I unsoldered the area. I actually got it in my hand. Here's the jack itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. Oh, I know there's going to be a bunch of you out there saying, "Oh, don't do that, don't do that." Well, guess what? I'm putting it in here. So this way I can show you without having to move around and everything. Alright, so I got my headphone jack in there. Now, be very careful whenever you put this in the vise. I have it just sitting there down just so it's holding it. Anyways, so what you have is this little piece right here, that piece of metal. That actually is the mouthpiece. If you can kind of see it, it's sticking out a little bit. You see it kind of sticking out? Just kind of point to it right here. There you go, that guy. See how it's moving a little bit? I freed it up. Okay, it was already soldered and everything. Everything was okay with the jack, but what was going on was every time I hit a bump, anything like that, it wasn't registering it, and it was actually getting stuck in that slot. It was being pushed back in too far inside of the slot. Oh, there we go. See how it sticks out? What happened was it was going that way. It was getting stuck inside of this little tiny slot that they have kind of buttoned out for it. I'm really trying to get a good view here, guys. It's not focusing. Oh boy. Well, anyways, you kind of got the idea earlier. There you go. Just a slot right there. So what I did was, I have like a little eyeglasses kit, and I don't know what you guys have, but I got a bunch of cool stuff in here that, you know, I can use. It's really thin. So what I did was, I put it on the side, and I just pushed it. That's all I did. Okay, just push that in there, and then just to test it out, got my headphone jack. Now what you're going to want to do is when you're putting this in here, don't push too hard because it's in the vise. Okay. See, I'm kind of tugging on it. Now it's good. Perfect. So I'm going to give you another video right after this. I'm going to install that back over. I'm going to solder that back onto my board, which is going to be right here. I don't know why my phone's not focusing. I'm going to solder that back on. Once I get all that, I'm going to put back all my stuff. I'm going to put on the faceplate. I'm going to do all that, okay? Coming up next. Okay. So, we got the radio installed here. Alright. Everything's kind of out of the... Okay, so there's our radio. Okay, all I did was kind of plop it right in there. We wanted to test out that audio jack, so what I got is, I got a new audio jack, okay? I got my Note 3. I'm going to try this out. So, turn on the radio, take the jack, okay? Works. Other end of the jack. I go into the phone. Yeah, it's my passcode. So what we're going to do is, it looks like it works. Doesn't cut out at all. Going from there.